Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for Living here. Thanks for watching my videos, and it's time for vlogmas number 10. It's December the 24th of 2019, Christmas Eve, and we're having our family get together today. So I thought I'd show you what I'm doing, and I'm just going to get my charcuterie tray together, platter, whatever. Yeah, it's like a word for, I don't know, I'm doing vegetables and some meat and some cheeses, and I got olives and crackers, and I made a cheese ball, got some nuts. So anyways, we're gonna get that together. I got my big platter here, and yeah, it says beach on it, but we're okay with that. We're gonna cover it all up with all of this food. Anyways, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so we got some dip, we got the hummus, we got some red plum jam, I got 2 kinds of mustard, and we'll just move these around wherever. And Dinah, you can help too. Here, take this sausage out of here and just leave it in a row and like put it like right there or something. And so we'll just this is some ham, thin sliced ham. Or you can make a fancy flour. So we're just gonna pile stuff up here. And then you could get like some cheese. I just bought blocks of cheese, and then I just cubed it up and I made little squares out of some of it. Okay. And I got some cherry tomatoes. Actually, those will whirl around. We'll do those last. So you can just put some pile of cheese there. And I've got some cut up vegetables. So just spread the colors around. And some cauliflower and some radishes. Cucumbers, bite-sized cucumbers, so no double dipping. One dip, and then you can put it back. Okay, we got it all done, and I think it turned out really well. So, yeah, I got all kinds of stuff. I had a little extra stuff, so we just put it in dishes over here on the side. But anyways, I think it looks fabulous. And I'm sure it's going to taste good because they've already been eating out of it here.